Here is how you can download Monopoly Go on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download Monopoly Go on your PC device. So let's start. In order to play Monopoly Go on your PC, you will have to download third-party software such as BlueStacks. So for that, go to your browser and search for BlueStacks. Among the search results, go to the first option, which is the official website of BlueStacks. Then simply click on download BlueStacks 10 and it will be downloaded. After the download is complete, install it, then you will be ready to go. After installing BlueStacks, open it. Then after, go to the search bar and type Monopoly Go. Now select the game that you want to download and click on install on app player. As you do that, the installation process will start and it will take a few moments to complete the download. As you finish downloading the game, you can easily play it on your PC. So in this way, you can play Monopoly Go on your PC or laptop. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.